morning, everybody. My routine is out of whack this morning because I couldn't get Panther to come to me last night for his pills, but I grabbed him first thing this morning. He was hungry. Got him in him, no problem. So that's a relief. That was stressing me just a little bit. It's cloudier out here than we realized. It's supposed to be a little warmer yet again today. We're probably going to do stuff around the house again though, because after today it really gets too uncomfortable to be outside doing stuff. Well, I have a happiness this morning. These hydrangea sticks that I cut off of, I don't know, one of these hydrangea. I think it might have been this one. Or it could have been that one over there. I don't know. Anyway, I stuck it in this pot and they rooted without me doing anything. And the dirt in this pot, they're pink. So I'm really excited to have some pink. We have very acid-loving soil, or very acidic soil here in the woods. We get blue. But the color varies based on soil conditions. And I'm excited for pink. So I don't know what's going on, but Morris is in the chair up the hill and I've called and he's not coming. So I don't know what's going on. Hopefully nothing of too much concern. At least I can see him and his head's up and he looks okay from here. If I go up there, he'll just run. So not gonna do that. Hey buddy, I come back out to see you a second time. You ate a little bit of your breakfast. I'm not gonna give you another pill. Not before tomorrow morning anyway. Hi bud. It's like you gave, he was all happy to see me until I gave him the pill. Hi buddy, I'll give you more attention. Yeah, everything's looking good out there. I don't see any signs of deer issues overnight. I've already got a couple mosquito bites this morning though. I think I'll start out with bug spray today. Yeah, so 2 more canna lilies on the bank over there. Let Dawn sort out the brickwork. I just think 3 will be a very nice addition and give it a chance of spreading out sooner than later. I don't remember how many I planted here originally. Not more than 3. Hi. I'm not going to give you another pill. I'm not. I'm not going to give you another pill. Not trying to pick you up from over here. Okay? I love you. It's alright. Because I just don't want to be picked up and taken in the house, Mom. I didn't like it. Don't like it. Hi, good morning. Good morning. How are ya? You ready for some chicken? Ready for breakfast? There you go. Morris, come down to see me. And Tux, still on his bench. I don't know why Morris didn't come down earlier, but he's here now and he looks fine. I started cooking Dawn breakfast. Gotta feed him if I'm gonna work him. I'm not gonna work him too hard today. If he'll get the 2 canna lilies in the ground, that's really the only thing on my list for today. I could have Project Creep, but that's the main thing. Get those planted. Hi. Hello. Hi, sweet boy. You too. So because of the cloud cover today, it's only 75 out here. It does feel more humid though, but I don't think it's going to be too bad working today. Bug sprayed up and ready to go.
Yeah, it's not too bad out here. I mean, the sun's, but the cloud cover's really thick.
It's helping today.
It's helping.
I'll be in the side yard doing my favorite thing.
Oh, I'm over here doing my least favorite thing. Digging.
It's not one. I only allow whining if it's 3 gallons or bigger.
Well, there's 3 1-gallons. Does that make 3 gallons?
Oh, come on, Marty. Or you can stay with Dawn. I know you can't tell. If I didn't do it, you sure would be able to tell. I think that's how I'll leave it. I'm coming back to do more. I just mowed because Dawn got out the mower for me and then it started to sprinkle. It's already quit. And all the sprinkling did was cause us to get more humid. But I guess I've been working about 90 minutes so far. Dawn's done with the canna lily project. Let me come see. I'm sure it looks awesome. He came and dug up a few ferns to put in front of or around it to make it look, you know, natural sooner than later. I like that idea. Way cool. Well, they should spread. Well, they look pretty, just the 3 of them. And they should spread. And I'm imagining I'm going to see some hummers down here sooner than later. So I'm pleased. Pleased. I might try to get some of that, some sort of ground cover to grow in front of the 3 and go down. We pulled out what we could as best as we could, considering it's on such a steep incline. And not really safe to walk down below either. So it'll be a work in progress to keep that area cleaned out. I like it. It looks really good. I think the idea Don came up with the curve in the front and the bricks on the side is perfect. And perspective on where the gnome home is. Yeah, looks really good. Yeah, this guy's pretty darned happy. The grafted on tree and the original stock. I was happy before we moved it. I'm sure it's going to be even happy now that we've moved it. I'm trying to do 3 hour. I love this. 3 hours today. I love this. You know, Japanese maples, it's spring growth, new growth, and fall growth. And the rest of the year is just kind of green. Most of them. Well, green or red. Yeah, I'm trying to keep going for 3-4 hours at the most. And it'll be, there will continue to be a lot. See, I went all in here and I pulled out the dragging pieces and cleaned it up. And way over in that corner I got to come back and do a little more in here next.
Well, these are the Ryobi 18 volt tool holders. For the tool when they don't have battery packs on them. They're printed really nice. They're designed to screw onto the bottom like that, and then you just slide your tool in and out. And that's because I keep mine that way. So this would be an example of a tool. Let's see if I can get this to work. I think I got it. Upside down, right side up. Something. Houston, we have a problem. Oops, it's too big. The scale looks wrong. It doesn't look like it's the right scale. Maybe. Well, hang on a second. I got. It's fine. I'm upside down. That's all it is. It doesn't go that way. It goes this way. So this is how it goes. So Houston is perfect. It'll work just great. And you just slide it in and out. Way cool. This is Marianne's cat food stand that I built several years ago out of particle board. And we use this ledge here behind it to hold our bug spray, suntan lotion, although we don't use suntan lotion so much anymore, but bug spray. And you know, the stuff would fall behind, so I decided to make a little something here out of some particle board. I don't mean simple plywood, just a couple staples. Anyway, so you know, now we got something that will do hold the bug spray and stuff and keep it from falling behind the thing. So here's my Ryobi battery holder. It would do 4 and fit in really well. I put this little hook here so I could lift it up. And there's the DeWalt battery holder holding my extra DeWalt battery. And I put another one of the DeWalt holders over here so that sometimes I'm charging two. One's charging, one's ready to go. So anyway, I stuck those up. I really like these little DeWalt ones. The battery won't come out. You have to, just like the DeWalt, you actually have to push it. It's got a little thing that engages. I like it.
Oh, about an hour until we eat, and I'm going to work on my building. There's 100 steps to finish the second floor, and then there's the roof. I didn't look at how many steps that is, but something less than 100. So I don't know if I'll get the second floor done or not, but I'm gonna work.
There we go. I like it. Hanging up the tools. You just go up here and grab them. Put them right back in there. Thing I've, experiment. This one I got a couple extra holes because they didn't do right. Because I get my distance, because you need it far forward. If you can see, it's just about touching. I mean, it's within a half an inch of touching. So 3 inches from here to here, at 3 inches, the screen thing needs to go at least 3 inches. And that way you get plenty of clearance here. That's 3 inches about right. But I like it. I think it looks pretty nice, and they don't fall out now. Hopefully they won't fall over. And now I can use this shelf here for other stuff. Get a little bit more organized, I guess.
I got pretty far. I'm stopping for dinner. I'll finish the rest. Or I'll finish, at least for sure, the rest of the second floor, hopefully tomorrow, and maybe start on the roof. I made meatballs tonight with an extra dose of mozzarella cheese on top. And you know what this means? It's pretty darn full. I go a little overboard on the heavy cream.
This is camouflage. I put the whipped cream on there so Kitten wouldn't know how many chocolate chips and how much nuts I put in there, but trust me, there's plenty. Yum, yum, ice cream.